Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to talk about an interesting problem that can occur in C++ programming. The problem we're looking at involves inheriting constructors from a base class, specifically when a derived class introduces its own constructor. It seems like the default constructor inherited from the base class mysteriously disappears when a new constructor is added to the derived class. Quite the puzzling issue, right? Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. As mentioned in a helpful comment by Phil Christensen, the issue stems from differences in C++ 11.14 standards compared to later versions like C++ 17. In the older standards, the wording around inheriting constructors caused this hiccup, especially when dealing with constructors with no parameters. It's interesting to note how different compilers handle this scenario, with MSVC19 showing this behavior in C++ 11.14, while others may not. This discrepancy sheds light on the evolution of C++ standards and compiler interpretations. In summary, we've learned about the intriguing problem of inheriting constructors in C++ and the workaround related to different language standards. By understanding the nuances of compiler implementations and standard revisions, we can navigate such issues more effectively. I hope you found this discussion helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!